Hi guys, welcome to Eddie's Bits. Today I want to do a review for you on the Apple wired keyboard. I've had this keyboard for quite a few months and I'm very impressed with it. One flaw about it is that the USB ports that they give you right here and right here can't even power a flash drive. They're very low powered USB ports. The most that it can power is a mouse, pretty much. Well, let's start the review here. The keys, they are very, very sensitive. They are very easy to the touch. You can type like a rocket on this thing. I love the keyboard. I went with the wired keyboard because with the wireless, they cut this off right here. You don't get any of these keys except you get these arrow keys, but they're squished in over here. You can use this with Mac or PC. Obviously it works better on the Mac. You get all these function keys up here, but it is usable on the PC, which I use it for my PC and my Mac, so it works out pretty good. As you can see here, it is very thin. I don't understand. Well, I understand. I'm amazed how thin this is. How they can fit like the keys in. The keys are very, very thin. Apple did a very good job in designing this. I really recommend you buying it. It is very pricey. It's $50 for just a regular keyboard like this, but trust me, if you want to spend that money, you will love this keyboard. It is the best keyboard I have ever owned, besides the USB ports. That's the only flaw. So yeah, that's been a short review on my Apple wired keyboard. So please check out my channel. I got other videos in there. I got my Mac Mini review I just did a few days ago. And if you like my videos, please consider subscribing. Okay, thanks a lot guys. Bye.